Let this be very clear in your mind. One person cannot solve family problems. You can't. Anybody who tries to become El Shaddai shall die. You have just one life. You can't solve all the problems. There are very few people that can accept your generosity and still understand that you are giving because you care, not because you have so much. 99.99% of people hold you to it, that you are giving because you have more than enough. It's a scamming system. And sometimes many people who are receiving don't know that this person has his own problems. He just has a heart. Let me give you a balance. In giving to people, never let them have the impression that you have more than enough. I know you are kind. I know you are good. It is kind people that die first in families. Responsibility kills them. Without wisdom, financial illiteracy looks like mercy, but they are not the same. If you are not financially smart, you will look merciful because you are throwing money around. Meanwhile, you just don't have plans. Your salary increased this year compared to last year, but your poverty rate is still the same thing. Some kind of problem knows when money enters your hand, and that's why you have to plan yourself. I know you have discovered that the moment small money start entering, that's when some uncles who you don't even know exist. Sir, ma, you did not start the problem. You can't end it. Nobody should be guilt-tripped for not giving. What if the person doesn't have? You cannot solve a problem you're a part of. One way to be a solution is to first detach yourself, then you can begin to solve. Don't give aid in a way that you too will soon need aid. Don't give yourself to too much giving and tax at home. Give with wisdom and do what you can continue. Don't promise what you can't do. Give in such a way that you will still be strong to repeat it.